Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. I will put the negative on numerator and denominator. So this one will change the sign. This one I can put x plus 1. So we need to add number 1. Later that we need to minus number 1. This one we have negative number 2. X plus 1 divided by x plus 1, we have number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, we have x. The integration of this one, we have number 2, ln of the absolute value of x plus 1, and I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.